Look why this happens to you. Have you ever felt the sensation of having lost some sensitivity in the legs or arms, and even accompanied by a slight tingling? Usually, this is because the blood circulation in an extremity has eventually been interrupted, when blood vessels and nerve endings are compressed. Many times, this type of sensation disappears when you start to move or change the posture, but this is not the only cause of numbness of the limbs, since if it happens frequently in the hands, then you must be alert. So pay close attention to this article that we have for you. Causes of numbness in the hands. 1. Cervical osteochondrosis. When you have a disturbance of the cervical spine, which causes compression of a nerve and interruption of blood flow, it can cause numbness in the hands, such as headaches and coordination problems. You need to supervise your posture and special effects, and do not forget to visit your doctor. 2. Multiple sclerosis. Due to the destruction of the brain and nerve membranes of the spinal cord, the passage of nerve impulses is interrupted, which reduces sensitivity and numbness. You should watch out for this degenerative neurological disease, and go to the doctor. 3. Carpal tunnel syndrome. This is common in people whose activities are related to monotonous work with the hand, such as programmers, tailors, musicians. Due to the constant repetitive movements of the fingers, the ligaments pass through the narrow channel of the tunnel, which tends to become inflamed. The person feels an annoying tingling in the hand, almost always in the morning. Only a neurologist will be able to determine exactly at what stage of progress the disease is, to avoid difficulties, such as atrophy of the muscles of the fingers. I